won that.
You're going to see red flames come off, okay? A red, orangey glow.
Stage 1 to Stage 2, Craig, helium secure.
Yellow orange glow, and it'll start climbing up. You won't hear the rocket for a few more seconds. Remember, the sound of the rocket we'll get here in a few seconds. It is a deep rumble. It will build, and it'll be
AMTS operator, verify.
a little
AMTS is ready for launch.
noisy, but it won't hurt you.
AMTS is ready for launch.
Okay. So watch out there, please.
ACDC,
Okay.
verify Falcon 9 and Dragon Arm
Everybody
startup.
off the cement area here, down low.
Dragon has been started. Stage 1 and Stage 2. Press for flight.
Watch
LD,
the
verify
launch
go
pad.
launch.
Watch the launch pad.
LD verifies. Go for launch.
Here we go. There it goes. Engines are turning on. Watch it climb up, okay? There it goes.
Preparing now to go into turbo count at T-minus 30 seconds.
First launch from pad 39A in 6 years. Thank you very much for being here. Have a good day. At least we got it off the ground. Here comes the rumble. Don't be alarmed. It won't hurt you. It's far enough away. It'll build and then it'll die down in a minute.
T-minus 10, 9, 8.
Okay, we can kill the audio. Also, we can turn the audio on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Falcon 9 to the space station. On the first launch from Kennedy Space Center's starting at 39.
9 Merlin engines, 1.7 million pounds of thrust. Alright, it'll start dying down now. How about that? Now, if we couldn't see the launch too well, chances are we're not going to see that rocket coming back too well either. But if you want to stay for that, we got about 8 minutes more to wait for that. Core stage should be coming back off to the right over there to the Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. 9 miles south of the launch pad is the landing zone. So we'll see if we can see that. At least we got it off the ground. How about that? Huh? Was that pretty cool? Very good. Go.